From the wildest dreams of science fiction to the edge of reality, personal flying machines are no longer a fantasy. They're real, and they're taking off. From jet-powered hoverboards and autonomous electric air taxis to sleek flying cars that transform in minutes, the sky is no longer the limit. Buckle up as we explore the bold inventions turning ordinary people into sky pilots of the future. The eVTOL Slipstream Elite is a luxury electric flying vehicle. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing using 4 electric fan engines placed at the corners of its sleek, futuristic body. These fans allow it to rise straight up, hover, and fly in any direction. The Slipstream Elite reaches speeds up to 200 miles per hour and offers a flight range of approximately 125 miles on a single charge. It has 2 distinct flight modes, one optimized for stable low-speed travel and another for fast directional movement. The aerodynamic body design reduces drag and improves efficiency in flight. It is compact and lightweight, making it suitable for personal air mobility, especially for business executives or high-end users. The aircraft is capable of operating from rooftops, private helipads, and even large yachts, making it highly versatile. It's equipped with a smart fly-by-wire control system and onboard safety software that simplifies flight handling and improves safety. The Slipstream Elite is also being promoted as a flying office, offering a high-comfort interior, optional touchscreen controls, and Face ID access. With its combination of style, speed, and smart design, it represents a bold step toward the future of personal aerial transport. The ATEA is a 5-seat hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Ascendance Flight Technologies. Designed for urban and regional air mobility, it combines electric propulsion with a combustion engine to optimize performance and reduce environmental impact. The aircraft features a unique propulsion architecture consisting of 8 vertical electric motors and 2 horizontal electric motors, enabling efficient vertical takeoff and forward flight. Its hybrid electric system, known as Sterna, allows a range of 350 kilometers and a cruise speed of 200 kilometers per hour. The ATEA can operate for up to 2 hours. Its maximum takeoff weight is 2,000 kilograms. The aircraft's design includes a high wing and low tail configuration, providing stability and safety. It is equipped with advanced avionics and safety systems, including a fly-by-wire control system. The ATEA is intended for various missions such as passenger transport, cargo delivery, medical evacuation, and surveillance. With its innovative design and hybrid electric propulsion system, the ATEA represents a significant advancement in the field of urban air mobility, offering a versatile and eco-friendly solution for modern transportation challenges. The Aston Martin Volante Vision concept is a luxury vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban and intercity air travel. Developed in collaboration with Rolls-Royce, Cranfield University, and Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, it features a hybrid electric propulsion system powered by a gas turbine engine and electric motors, aiming for a low-carbon footprint. The aircraft is designed to carry 3 passengers, with a panoramic canopy providing expansive views. It can achieve cruising speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and has an estimated range of approximately 250 miles, making it suitable for trips like London to Paris in about an hour. The Volante Vision concept incorporates autonomous flight capabilities with varying levels of pilot interaction. Its design includes fixed wings and twin rudders for forward flight, along with 6 electric propellers, 4 tilting front propellers, and 2 vertical rear propellers for vertical lift. The landing gear is integrated into the wing tips, which adjust position for takeoff and landing. The fuselage is constructed from carbon fiber, and the aircraft emphasizes a blend of advanced aerospace technology with Aston Martin's signature luxury design. The Doroni H1X is an electric VTOL aircraft developed by Doroni Aerospace. Designed for personal urban and suburban air mobility, the H1X combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. The aircraft offers a top speed of 193 kilometers per hour. It has a range of approximately 97 kilometers and a flight time of up to 45 minutes on a single charge. The H1X utilizes a battery-powered electric propulsion system, featuring 8 vertical duct propellers and 2 rear-mounted electric duct fans for forward flight. The batteries are swappable, with a full charge taking about 25 minutes. Constructed from carbon fiber composite materials, the H1X has an empty weight of 1,850 pounds and a maximum payload capacity of 500 pounds. Its dimensions allow it to fit within a standard 2-car garage, enhancing its practicality for personal use. The aircraft features a panoramic canopy over the cockpit. Flight management is facilitated by an intuitive joystick control system, complemented by autonomous navigation capabilities and 360-degree anti-collision sensors. Safety is further enhanced by redundant motors and a whole aircraft ballistic parachute system. With its compact design, swift performance, and cutting-edge safety features, the Doroni H1X is redefining personal air travel. Blending innovation with everyday usability, it promises a future where flying is not just for pilots, but for everyone ready to rise above the road. The Horten HX-2 is a tailless flying wing aircraft developed by Horten Aircraft GmbH. It features a blended wing body design, eliminating the traditional fuselage to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. Constructed from carbon and glass fiber composites with a honeycomb structure, the HX-2 offers a lightweight yet robust airframe. The aircraft is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912IS engine in a pusher configuration, driving a rear-mounted propeller. It has a wingspan of 10 meters and a length of 4.5 meters. The HX-2 is equipped with a ballistic recovery parachute system for enhanced safety. The aircraft's design allows for a cruising speed of approximately 87 miles per hour while consuming about 32.8 miles per gallon. With a fuel capacity of 64.4 gallons, it offers a potential range exceeding 2,000 miles and an endurance of over 24 hours. The HX-2's unique configuration ensures minimal center of gravity variation, simplifying weight and balance considerations. Its spacious interior can accommodate additional features such as a toilet or sleeping arrangements, making it suitable for extended missions. The HX-2 exemplifies innovative aeronautical engineering, combining efficiency, versatility, and forward-thinking design. CityHawk by Urban Aeronautics is a compact, wingless eVTOL aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It features a fully enclosed fancraft rotor system, allowing for safe operation in confined urban spaces. The aircraft is powered by 2 Safran Ariel 2N turboshaft engines, each producing 985 horsepower, and is slated to transition to a hydrogen electric propulsion system developed in partnership with Highpoint, offering zero emissions and quick refueling times. CityHawk accommodates up to 6 occupants, including the pilot, and has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,250 pounds. It boasts a top speed of approximately 270 kilometers per hour and a range of 150 kilometers with a full passenger load. The aircraft's design includes a 360-degree sensor system to assist pilots, reducing workload and enhancing safety. Its noise level is estimated at 76 decibels at 150 feet, making it suitable for urban environments. CityHawk's compact footprint allows it to land on rooftops and in tight city spaces, making it ideal for applications like emergency medical transport and air taxi services. Its innovative design and sustainable propulsion system position this CityHawk as a forward-thinking solution for urban transportation challenges. The Cirrus G2 Plus Vision Jet is a single-engine, very light jet, designed for personal and business aviation. Powered by a Williams FJ33-5A turbofan engine producing 1,846 pounds of thrust, it offers efficient performance with reduced operating costs. The aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 576 kilometers per hour and a range of approximately 2,222 kilometers, making it suitable for regional travel. It can accommodate up to 7 occupants, including the pilot, and features a carbon fiber fuselage contributing to its aerodynamic efficiency and lightweight structure. The G2 Vision Jet is equipped with the Cirrus Perspective Touch Plus by Garmin Avionics suite and Safe Return Autoland feature, providing advanced navigation and safe landing. Notably, It includes the Cirrus airframe parachute system, offering an additional layer of safety. With its combination of performance, safety, and comfort, the Cirrus G2 Plus Vision Jet represents a significant advancement in personal aviation. Leo Flight Corporation is developing the LeoCoupe, a personal electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for urban mobility. The LeoCoupe is a 3-passenger aircraft, including the pilot, with a maximum speed of 400 kilometers per hour and a range of 483 kilometers. It utilizes 64 duct fans for vertical takeoff and landing and 6 duct fans for forward flight. The aircraft features a unique double box-wing configuration and is powered by a 66 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a flight time of approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes with reserves. The LeoCoupe's compact size of 10 feet by 20 feet allows it to fit inside a 2-car garage, making it suitable for personal use in urban environments. The LeoCoupe is FAA Part 103 compliant, meaning no pilot's license is required to operate it. Leo Flight's innovative approach to personal air mobility, focusing on safety, efficiency, and accessibility, positions its aircraft as forward-thinking solutions for urban transportation challenges. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Nanotech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.